everyone, welcome to my new video tutorial. This time I'm going to tackle about derivative. So we have the rules of derivative. So these are the rules of derivatives. First we have rule number 1. Y equals c or constant. The derivative of that of a constant is always equal 0. Y prime or derivative dx equals 0. Then the second rule, we have the power rule. Y equals x raised to n. The derivative of that is nx raised to n minus 1. Always remember that if we're going to find the derivative, we're going to subtract my negative 1. We're going to subtract 1 to its exponent. And then rule number 3, we have y equals constant x raised to n. To the derivative of that is y prime or dx equals c n times x raised to n minus 1. We just put the exponent here to here at the right side of the constant. Then number 4 rule, we have y equals a positive and negative b or a plus b or a minus b. This is called sum rule. So the derivative of this is y prime equals a prime plus or minus b prime, or here a prime plus or minus b prime. The number 5, we have y equals a times b. This is called multiplication rule. So the derivative of this is y prime equals a times b prime plus b and a times a prime. So number 6, we have y equals a over b. So this is the y equals the quantity of a over b. This is the quotient rule. So if we're going to define a derivative, this is y prime equals b times a prime minus a times b prime over b squared. And lastly, we have number 7. So in number 7, so y equals a raised to n. So y prime is equals to b times a prime minus a times b prime over b squared. So this will be the basis or formula we're going to use to find its derivative. We just find the derivative first at a and find the derivative of this given y equals x raised to 5. So this is the power rule. So the derivative, we have y equals x raised to n. Derivative y prime equals, we have n x raised to n minus 1. So we will follow this. So the given is x raised to 5. So we have the exponent or n will be here 5 x 5 minus 1. Then that would be 5 x raised to 5 minus 1, that would be 4. So this is the derivative of this given. Y prime or d over. So let's proceed to our next example, number 2. So we have given as y equals 4 times x raised to 6. So this given, so we will going to apply constant and exponent rule since there is a constant here and then the power rule, the power. So the derivative y equals constant x raised to n. The derivative of that would be y prime, or the y equals c n times x raised to n minus 1. So we will follow this. So the given is for the constant here is 4. So y prime equals 4. Then our n is 6. Then our x, copy the x, then raised to 6 minus 1. So that would be 4 times 6, that would be 24. X, 6 minus 1, so raised to 5, or raised to 5. So this would be the derivative of this given. So y prime equals 24x raised to 5.